Sir, you were telling about the subsurface irrigation. Like when you're putting the drip irrigation pipes under the ground, will it get blocked when any
Okay.
salt formation happens?
Okay, good question. I've answered this question many times, and in fact, a lot of farmers also have asked this question through comments. So I think I'll try to give a good answer to this. First of all, when you have the laterals running under the surface, you don't have sunlight or heat on the laterals, right? So for salt to become a solid, the salt that is in water to become solid, you need either heat or sunlight. Both are absent under the underground. Therefore, there is no possibility of the TDS of the water turning into solid. That is number one. Number two is that yes, there are a few scenarios that you need to watch out for. I'll tell you what those are.
Okay.
It is very important that if you have a subsurface irrigation, you cannot stop irrigating for a long duration, because if you stop irrigation for a long duration, if the subsurface becomes dry, then there is a possibility that the roots of coconut trees or any other weeds may try to get into the laterals diaphragm. That's a risk. So you have to have frequent irrigation for sure.
Okay.
And similarly, if your mainline pressure is insufficient to open the diaphragm of the laterals, then again there is a possibility of dust accumulating on top of the diaphragm, eventually blocking them. So as long as you don't have pressure related issues, or you don't have long gap between two irrigations, there should be absolutely no issues under the soil. TDS will not do anything whatsoever. It cannot convert into solids.